of it, but I want to ask whether it is safe to donate blood and should it be a regular practice?
I think it's perfectly safe to donate blood, but you should be very careful that where are you donating your blood. It should be a registered body where blood has to be donated, and because when it is a registered body, you're sure that the syringes are not reused and they're all safe. I think everybody should donate blood, and between the age of 18 to 65, and if you do it every 3 months, it's healthier for you also. And as sir was telling me that, and we were told that with blood donation, so many new, researches and medications come out which we have to import. So I think it's all our duty to donate blood, and that'll solve a lot of things.
Thank you, sir.
रक्तदान हे जीवनदान आहे, नक्कीच केलं पाहिजे. I know you all are into to ask questions, but probably we can take 1 or 2 at the max, and please maintain silence. That would be my request again. Okay, the last, probably 1-2 questions more.
Hello. Sir.
Yes, begin.
Sir, I am Adarsh from Sydenham College of Commerce and Economics. Sir, sorry for all those confusion, and getting back to the question.
Hello.
Sir, you being a
Hello,
SARC
hello,
goodwill.
hello.
Sir, am I audible?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah. Sir, you being the SARC goodwill ambassador of HIV/AIDS, must be aware of the government trying their level best to reach out the maximum population about informing them about HIV/AIDS prevention messages. Sir, how do you think this process can further be accelerated?
It can only, as I said earlier, it can be, when I knew a lot about it, but when I visited outside and saw the contribution, what you guys have done, and what has happened in the country since 2000, I think it's been fabulous. But it can only go forward if you take it forward. You means the youth. We can only talk about it here, but to create awareness, if you go tell 2 people, and 2 people will multiply to 4 more people, that is how it's going to multiply, and that is the only solution to this. So I think the solution is to be educated on what is HIV and what is AIDS, how it happens, why it happens, how you can prevent it, and make life very, very simple for everybody. That's why I said today's youth needs to do it, and today's youth also needs to educate their own parents who are not educated. That's how you take it forward.
Sir, you also being from the film industry, do you think there can be any association possible?
I would love to have any kind of association possible. Now that I'm a part of this AIDS SARC Goodwill Ambassador, I would love to discuss with them that what other things I can be a part of and how I can support and take it forward. But again, I will need all your help. So if you guys are with us, then we can all do something about it.
Okay, thank you. One last question. This will be the last. Aakhri sawal.
I'll give you an example. We are making films, and films are changing.
Maintain silence.
Films are changing, and we are making films according to your demands, according to the way you all want. Otherwise, you all reject it. So the society is changing according to the youth, and the society will in future change according to the youth. So if in our film industry we have to follow y'all and follow your demands, I think it is easier for y'all to go ahead and change the whole country, and all the countries, all the SARC countries, I would say.
Thank you for all the motivation that you